Good afternoon, everyone. This is Alan Hughes from Ascarii. I'm pleased to say today we're joined by Rosie from Boyum to present the B1 MailChimp application that is used extensively around the world and successfully. So I've got a short presentation to give, and then I'll pass over to Rosie. We'll have a look at the solution itself, and if you have any questions, more than happy to answer them while we're on the session. Or conversely, you can drop a question via the app in front of you. So I will go through the presentation very quickly for you. Ascarii is, as you know, your provider for Business One, but Boyum is one of our preferred partners that we work with. Today is all about integrating Business One with newsletters via MailChimp. So yeah, we've already introduced ourselves, Rosie. Boyum IT, Rosie will take you through this themselves, but these are some of the reasons why Ascarii choose to use and work with Boyum, probably more than any other partner within the SAP Business One channel. It's proven, it's well supported, and fundamentally their solutions work. That's what we like about them. So MailChimp is what we're going to talk about today, but as you can see, there's quite a lot in the portfolio for Boyum. So if there's any questions after today's session where you go, oh, what's one of those other things that we've shown here on the screen, please let me know, and we'll organise something for you then. So without further ado, I'm going to pass over to Rosie. So I've just made you presenter, Rosie. So hopefully you can share your screen now.
You see my screen?
Yep, can indeed.
Perfect, perfect. Thank you so much. Good morning, everybody. My name is Rosie Coronado, and what we're going to see today is the B1 MailChimp. What is B1 MailChimp? B1 MailChimp is an integration to your MailChimp account. And if you're not sure about the MailChimp account, you probably know what it is. Otherwise, you probably wouldn't have joined. It's a newsletter mailing service. Has nothing to do with Boyum. But what's really nice is that Boyum has an integration, so you can actually upload your contacts to your MailChimp lists. And then you can run reports out of SAP Business One. So it's an integration. SAP Business One sees your mailing lists for MailChimp, and you can upload your contacts, send out to your lists, and then you can actually get reports out of SAP Business One. So let me go into the system. This is my SAP Business One. I'm going to hide my dashboard right here. And to have MailChimp activated, you need to have the B1 usability package. If you are not sure what the usability package is, this is the main add-on, and MailChimp is a part of the usability package, a module within the usability package. You need to have the usability package to run MailChimp. Usability package is where you can customize your SAP Business One to your needs. You can, as you see, I'm just going to pull up one screen. You can put validation on your screen. You can put, of course, hide fields. You can add new tabs, as you can see right here, and so on. So that's the usability package. And me being a former, I used to implement SAP Business One. I always say nobody should run SAP Business One without the usability package. So if you have the usability package, you can activate your MailChimp. If I go right here, those are all the features for the usability package, and here those are modules within the usability package, and one of them is MailChimp. Okay, so once you have it activated, you will have right here on the menu your MailChimp menu, and it's very, very simple to set up. So the configuration is right here. This is where you put your API key from your MailChimp account. And you will get this from your MailChimp account you have set up. Okay, so right here, those are my lists I have set up. And if you see right here, there is there's my profile, there is my account. So you have everything. This here has nothing to do with Boyum. So you set this up on the MailChimp side. And as you know, I believe it's free for up to 2,000 recipients. And when you go here to extras, here you have an option API key. And this is the one we need. You see, I did it a lot of times. This is the one you would copy over into your MailChimp configuration. Okay, so and then on the MailChimp account, you do the merge tag mapping also over here on the MailChimp account, and then you would do it here to see what you would like to upload what would you like to upload over to the mailing lists. Okay, the card name, the first name, and the last name. Okay, so this is your configuration. Most important thing is the API key. Okay, and what fields you want to upload, because the API key is the one that talks to your MailChimp account, which is this one. Okay, once you have this set up, you just go in here and says add subscribers. For example, you click add subscribers. This is one of my favorites in MailChimp because you can upload your contact people as a book. And you see right here, those are my lists I have on my MailChimp account. So since I have the API key connected, it sees my lists on the other side. So I'm gonna say this is a Prodomex list, and I have it set up. This all comes from my MailChimp setup. Okay, this is not set up here in SAP. This is reading from your MailChimp. And I'm saying this is my print and delivery. They're interested in print and delivery. And then you just choose those contacts you would like to upload to Prodomex print and delivery list. That's what they're interested in. The list is Prodomex, but they're interested in print and delivery. Okay. Let me put somebody on mute. So you saw I clicked on 2 of the emails, contact people, click update, and they're gone. It took them from my list because they're already over their MailChimp now. And if I go right here to my audience, and we didn't look what they had there, and if you could go right here, those are my this audience has 22 contacts now. Okay, and if you click right here, you will see who are my contacts for this list. Okay, and there's, of course, there's some more. Okay, so then, and it's real time. I did update, and it flows straight back into my MailChimp list. Okay, so, and it won't show here anymore. And then you can go, okay, now I'm gonna do my Boyum list. I have a Boyum list, and the way I have it set up is a little bit different. I have it set up like this. Again, you're gonna filter, you're gonna see who those contacts have not been assigned to a list, and I can upload those. So very good practices when I speak to customers. When you create your MailChimp accounts, do your lists, have them clean, have nothing in there, then go to SAP Business One and upload them right here as a book. Okay, but then once you have your list established and all is good, you have several options. You can do also when you go and add a new business partner to your system. And I'm gonna pull it up again. There we go. And you have contact people right here. So you have the options. So you're keying in the business partner and the contacts, then you can say, okay, what are my options? Synchronize selected contact, properties for selected contact, and see, okay, this one is already subscribed on my Prodomex list. Okay, but they're not on this list. So you have information right here, and you have statistics right here. I don't have any statistics because mine is just a simple account, and of course I don't send out newsletters. So you see information here for this contact person, and you can do also right here on the right side, you have 3 user-defined fields, okay? So B1 MailChimp bounce. Did this email bounce on me? Did this email unsubscribe on me? And do I need to exclude this contact from MailChimp? So you have this flexibility to do it right here. Once you know you have it established, I think this is good to have right here. Okay, so those 3 user defined, it tells you right away, okay, this email bounced, let me check with this company. Okay, then you also have what's really, this is the beauty, and this is why it was designed. So people used to export their contact people out to an Excel and then input it to MailChimp, and that was it. But you also have those reports right here. You have a bounce report and a statistics report. And as I said, I apologize. Let me see if I have nothing in there. So here you would have if any email bounced, okay? And then the statistics report is really something very nice for you. So you have like campaign note. If you send out a campaign in 2019, it will tell you the campaign that didn't open it, okay? They didn't open, or this one's bounced. Let me refresh it. Those were the bounced emails, okay? And of course, in your case, it probably most likely has more data. Okay, those are emails that unsubscribed. I don't have any. And this is the beauty, because you have everything here at your fingertip. So people don't have to log into MailChimp all the time and get that information, which I assume they have some reports too, but you have everything in SAP. And for example, if you go and say this one unsubscribed or this email bounced, then I know you want to fix it in SAP Business One too. Why did it bounce? Did the contact person is no longer there, the email doesn't exist, or it was misspelled when you put it into SAP Business One. So most important, configuration, attach your API key, map it, and then load up some business partner. If you want to try it out, you know, you always can try our products for a 20-day free trial. You can do that. All you have to do is go into MailChimp.com and just create an account, just like I did. You can create it for free. It doesn't cost you for up to 2,000 recipients. That's what I know, unless they changed it. Set up your account, go right here, go to account and go to extras and get your API key, create an API key and then connect it, and just kind of play with the MailChimp account and load up some contacts. Okay. So that is it for me. It's very straightforward, very simple. As I said, it's a connection to your MailChimp account, upload your contacts, and then have your reports in SAP, so you don't have to go to another website to get your reports. Now we can open it up for any questions.
So we've got Rob and Sarah with us. So I'm just connecting you to unmuting you both, just to see if there's any questions at this stage. No, that's fine. Okay, well, if you want to find out any more or have pricing information or just general information on the solution, please get in touch with us at Ascarii. We'll be more than happy to supply that to you.
Wonderful. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you, everyone.
And check it out. Yeah, try it if this is something you're interested in. Have a great day, everybody.